Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to archive and delete a class in Google Classroom. So first, you need to log into your Google for Education account and go to classroom.google.com, and your class dashboard will show. You'll see all of your class cards here. Find the class card that you want to archive and delete and simply click on the three-dot menu. First, you need to archive the class. So I am going to select Archive. Once I archive the class, then I have to go into the three-line menu here up at the top and scroll down to the Archive Classes option. And now you'll see all of your classes that you archived. If you simply click on the three-dot menu on the card, you have the option to either restore the class or delete the class. So for this example here, I'm going to click Delete, and that class will now be removed from my class cards. It's not in my archived library anymore, and it will not be available on my main uh, dashboard as well. I hope you found this screencast helpful.